In this video, we're going to use logarithmic properties and the definition of the logarithm to solve logarithmic equations. Find all the values of x that satisfy the following equation. Notice the base for both these logarithms is base 2. So because the base is the same and I have an addition, I can pull out my log laws and identify that I need to use the product rule here. I can take these two logarithms, which have the same base and they're being added, and combine them to one logarithm with that base, and we're going to just multiply the insides of each logarithm. So I'm going to write this as log base 2 of x times x minus 3, and that's equal to 2. So I just use the product rule. And then I have base 2 logarithm here, so I'm going to want to end up using the b to the log base b of k equals k cancellation law. So if it's base 2, I'm going to write that as 2 to the log base 2 of x minus 3 equals 2 to the second power. Now I can use that property, which says b to the log base b of k equals k. So I can say that these two things, these are going to cancel out. That leaves you with x minus 3 equals 4. Then I can solve this. That'll give you x squared minus 3x equals 4. Oh, I got a quadratic. Subtract the 4 over. X squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Let's do a little factoring. We can say x minus 4, x plus 1 equals 0. ZPP, zero product property. X minus 4 equals 0. Or x plus 1 equals 0. Add the 4 over, x equals 4. Or subtract the 1, x equal negative 1. Now I need to check these answers. I know that logarithms are only defined for values that are greater than 0. So I cannot have anything 0 or less inside the logarithm. If I plug in negative 1, I get log base 2 of negative 1. Can't happen. Can't do that. So that's not a solution. I plug in 4, log base 2 of 4. That's okay. That's obviously 2. If I plug a 4 in there, log base 2 of 4 would be 2. And then I plug a 4 in here. 4 minus 3 is 1. Log base 2 of 1. 2 to what power gives me 1? That'd be 0. So I'd have 2 plus 0 equals 2. Yeah, that works. So I just need to plug them back in, make sure I don't have any extraneous solutions.